Did you hear that? That is the sound of pure perfection. Welcome back, people! Today I'm showing you how to make the ultimate crispy chicharrones using only 3 ingredients: 1.3 kilos of pork belly, 2 tablespoons of salt and baking soda. Let's do this. Now, let's prep the meat. I like to cut my pork belly into pieces about 5 to 7 centimeters long. Keep in mind, they will shrink as they fry, so don't make them too small. Mine already came in strips, but if yours is a whole block, just slice it into 3 centimeter thick strips first. Here is a crucial pro tip. Flip the meat skin side down and score it through the meat and fat. But stop right before you hit the skin. Do not cut the skin. Doing this allows the heat to penetrate evenly, rendering the fat perfectly, and helping our chicharrones cook much faster and way more uniform. Next, grab your pot and add some water. While it is heating up, go ahead and add the salt and the baking soda at the same time, giving it a good stir until fully dissolved. Now, here is why the baking soda is an absolute game changer for this recipe. It breaks down the skin's proteins, causing it to blister and puff up with those beautiful tiny bubbles that give it that ultimate crunch. The salt, on the other hand, is just there to bring out that classic savory flavor. Once dissolved, drop the pork pieces right into the pot. We want the pork to boil so it cooks through first. After a few minutes, you'll notice some foam and scum rising to the surface. Just grab a spoon and gently skim off those impurities. Once that's done, we just leave it alone. Let the water completely evaporate. As it disappears, the pork will naturally start rendering and frying in its own fat and oil. As you can see, the water is completely gone, and the pork is starting to release its natural lard. This is where the frying begins. It is crucial to keep the heat at medium-low right now so the meat doesn't burn. Now, a quick but very important note, since I missed the shot of them browning up. From this point until they are done, you need to stir constantly and keep the pot semi-covered. This lets the steam escape, but prevents the hot oil from splattering everywhere. Be extra careful, because boiling lard can cause severe burns. Once the chicharrones reach that beautiful golden brown color, if the skin hasn't fully blistered yet, crank the heat up to high and stir continuously for about 1 minute. That final blast of heat is what makes them explode with crunchiness. And there you have it, the ultimate crunchiest chicharrones you will ever make. If you love this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other easy recipes right here on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!